Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the source and creating an audio source in Streamlabs. Open the scene you use, then click the plus to add a media source for a local file or an audio output capture for system sound. This lets Streamlabs receive the signal. Once added, choose the file or device and name it clearly so you can find it later. Make sure the source is above any mute filters in the mixer. This initial setup prevents common routing mistakes and saves time. Next, configure playback and routing so your music behaves on stream. For music files, set loop or restart and enable hardware acceleration if available. This controls continuous playback. Then open the mixer, set the source volume, and add a compressor or EQ to tame peaks and keep voice balance. Use advanced audio properties to assign audio to specific tracks and enable monitoring if you need to hear it locally. This step controls what viewers hear versus what you monitor. Finally, integrate and verify so music reliably reaches viewers. Run a short local recording or private stream to confirm levels and balance with your microphone. This reveals clipping or low volume issues. If you plan public streaming, prefer licensed or royalty-free tracks to avoid strikes. If you don't hear music, make sure the correct capture device is selected, disable exclusive mode in Windows sound settings, and check that the source isn't muted or blocked by OBS/Streamlabs filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.